kasi nakita ng organization yung story that we have to put in my costume. It's all about Philippine culture and how we can work hand in hand, and you know, the inspiration of the Spanish people, the Mexican, from the galleon trade pala, and how spiritual we are as Filipinos. I didn't make it just myself, hindi lang to dahil sa organization and sa judges, but it's because of all of you, dun sa support na binigay niyo sa akin. I won because of the votes of every Filipinos and those people who supported me, kaya maraming salamat.
Has it been clear from all the candidates na yung mga ganitong announcement will come on the later part?
They did tell us naman na there will be announcement, pero we didn't know yet kung kailan kasi nila yung ilalabas.
Pero you know na may winners talagang gano'n.
Yes, they
na may
did inform us
Continental
naman.
Queens.
Oh yes, they did inform us na there will be some Continental Queens. Dun pa lang sa hint na lumalabas ng social media, they had to post it. So they informed us about it naman. Yeah.
How was the first meeting with with Kunan?
I'm sorry?
How was the first meeting with Kunan?
Oh,
Kasi ang tagal nyo nag-usap eh.
yeah, everybody saw that. She was so nice. She actually told me how happy she is with the Filipino people, how supportive they are. We talked about, you know, how happy she is that I am there and how she see that how humble I was. Kaya niya siguro nasabi, I'm a very humble queen. But sometimes being humble can be very powerful too.
How's your ate?
Oh, I love her. I messaged her before I flew into the Philippines. And then she told me to, you know, good luck. She's so excited for me. She's gonna be coming soon in the Philippines. We don't know yet, so abangan nyo. We might, you know, have a work here for her too.
Anything you're missing from Mexico?
Honestly, Mexico and Philippines, parang iisa lang yung culture. Pero yung pagkain, iba talaga eh. Iba yung pagkain doon. I really like it.
The weather.
The weather is pretty chilly as well. It was hard for me on the first few days kasi high altitude yung Mexico, so it was hard for me to breathe. But you know, we got used to it later on kasi we were always outside the hotel. We were always doing our activities outside.
Josie, anong na-miss mong food sa Mexico?
Tacos tsaka yung guacamole. All of the other girls were, I don't know if they were all given the chance to try it, pero minsan nilalabas nila kami ng organization to go to restaurants, and we were able to try the Mexican food, so tacos talaga.